When tackling a disease or infection, a doctor's first instinct may be to find it and destroy it. But instead, how about using a custom-engineered nanoparticle to soak it up like a sponge?
A lot of the treatment, we try to add something to the body, right, to destroy the bugs or to kill the cancer cell. So this technology works in the opposite way.
With support from the National Science Foundation, nanoengineer Yongfang Zhang and his team at the University of California, San Diego created the nanosponge to combat drug-resistant infections like MRSA. Instead of targeting the bugs, these nanoparticles help protect against the toxins they make. They can even absorb venom from snake bites.
So our team came up with this idea of camouflage this nanoparticle with a red blood cell membrane. It's more like a natural toxin decoy.
And these stealthy nanosponges should work with any type of poison or infection that attacks the cellular membranes.
For this nanosponge technology, it doesn't care how the toxin looks like, it targets the working mechanism of the toxin. So when this nanosponge, they circulate in the bloodstream and they absorb this toxin, so after it's fully loaded with toxin, what they'll do is they will just go to the liver. So now the liver cells can safely take up the entire nanosponge.
Just one red blood cell can be used to create cloaks for more than 3,000 individual nanosponges.
So we start out with whole blood, and then we're going to purify the membrane component of these red blood cells. And then we're going to create these tiny little particles out of a very biocompatible, biodegradable polymer. We're then going to fuse them together, thereby forming the resulting nanosponge.
We started from the whole blood, or just the RBC.
Zhang's team has been working with mice and has chalked up a nearly 100% success rate against staph infections with the nanosponges. Human clinical trials are the next step. Zhang is working closely with physicians and students at Moore's Cancer Center on this nano approach to medicine, refining an idea that sounded like science fiction not so long ago.
Dr. Zhang is incredibly innovative, and that's the beauty of science, is you can sometimes these wild brainstorming sessions really do turn into unique and high-impact innovations for medicine. And when someone's getting healthier faster, that's what matters on my end.
Tackling disease with a nano-sized secret agent. Just take a minute and absorb that idea. For Science Nation, I'm Miles O'Brien.